How to request a payment on Payoneer application. So first you want to open your Payoneer application and log in with your account. Now once logged in, click on the action button below. And now on this page, you want to enter the name or email of the client or the payee. And then choose between bank transfer or let the contact choose which platform he will use to send the money. So if the client says they will pay using their bank, then choose the bank transfer. But if the client doesn't inform you to which platform he will send you the money, that is the time you choose the other option. Now here, you want to enter the amount of the money you are requesting to, and then select on the currency. And once done, click on the next button. Now on this page, you can add a description for the payer. It could be the services you sold or the goods you provided. Next, you want to review the details if all the information are correct, and if everything is correct, click on the request payment. After clicking on the request payment, on the next page, you will be able to copy the request payment link.